What up, Dolo? How you doing? Did you smile today? Did you smile today? Did you smile today? So, if you read the title, then you know I got some new technology. I'm so excited. Let me calm down. I got some new technology that I want to unbox for you guys. Oh, that is right. I got a camera. Not a camera. The vlogging camera. Bro, every YouTuber I know, I watch, has this. It is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. So I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys. So if you don't know, I film on my phone. I have an iPhone XR. So right now it's facing towards me so I can see myself. But usually I face it like away. So like I'm going to do a side-by-side right now to show you guys the difference. So side-by-side looking, you guys could probably see the difference between me filming the camera facing this way and the camera faced around so I can't see myself. Like, can you guys see the difference? Can you see the difference? Can you? But yeah, like this is such a, I'm so excited. This is expensive. I'm scared to open it. Ooh. And I got an SD card. Ooh, this quality about to be better. This is a shout out to Kayla. I've mentioned her channel before. She's one of my best friends. If your best friend doesn't hook you up like this, you might have to rethink your friends, sis. You might have to rethink your friends. I'm sorry. I'm so thankful, so grateful. She's like, let me tell y'all the story. So she like, oh my gosh, let's go Christmas shopping. Let's hang out. I'm like, okay, cool. So we go to Best Buy. And she's like, all right, pick out a camera. I'm like, huh? What? She's like, pick out whatever you want. You're doing so good in school. You a good friend. I love you. You deserve this. Here, pick one out. I'm like, I don't know what to pick out. I pick out like one of the cheapest cameras there. And she's like, nah, sis, you get it. You get it. You deserve this. So thank you. Shout out to her. I'm going to link so many of her videos down there. I'm going to show her the end screen. Just, y'all follow my best friend. I am lost for words. When she like, why she was paying for it, I was shaking in the knees. I was getting a little weak in the knees. She's like, this is not your Christmas gift, by the way. I'm like, oh, this is not your birthday gift right away. I'm like, oh, this is not the gift. So I'm a little scared what the gift might be. Let me guys know if you guys want to see what I'm getting for Christmas. I don't know if I'm gonna do a birthday video yet, but I'll let you know if I decide to. So, shout out over. Thanks, Kayla. So you guys, let's open it. Ooh. Okay, I'm scared. I'm just shaking. I'm out of breath. I'm fat. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm so nervous. All right, so we got a lot of paper. I'm guessing that's all the instructions. Okay, let's open it. So this is, I'm guessing it's the battery pack because it's like a battery pack. This must be the battery, you know. By the way, I know nothing about cameras. Nothing, absolutely nothing. This is a little, probably a little thing that hooks up to the camera, like a little strap. Y'all know I'm saying the best for last. Oh, baby. This is the camera. Oh, child. This is the camera. Come on, you stuck to the paper. Oh, it is so small. This is so small. Oh. So you see, this is obviously the lens. I know some words now. You guys see these are all the controls. The on and off button. I guess like this part is to zoom in. This is like to either click on the settings, Click on if you want to record a video, picture. The back, you know, flash, trash, info, menu, record button. So you know why it's like one of the best vlogging cameras besides all the quality? I'm pretty sure you already know why. It's just like this feature, bruh. Bruh, the viewfinder, I can see myself. So in the next few videos, if you see me looking here and not here, that's an accident, because I probably look good, you know? This kind of looks weird to me, like this part, but whatever. Is it supposed to do that? Oh. Okay then, so I'm guessing I should just like add a little lock on it. So this says open. Ain't nothing in here yet. I wonder if they give you the battery charged. Okay, it just clicks in. Slide to lock. Okay, let's see. Okay. You know, first says date and time. So today it's the 20th. I just had a whole brain fart. It's the 20th. My birthday's in 9 days. 2019. Y'all excited for 2020? I'm getting that, you know, new year, new me, getting those, you know, setting some goals for yourself vibes, you know, cut off all negativity, getting some new friends who love you enough to buy your camera. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, my room's a mess, so like this looks nice, like what you're seeing, but behind you, it looked terrible. I got gift wrap over here, presents over there. Does the quality look better? I feel like y'all can kind of see the true color in my stuff. Now, I know I have to change the settings, but yeah, oh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna see if I can, I guess I just put the SD card in and like switch cameras. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show some clips of like, you know, me side by side, some random stuff in my room side by side, so you guys see the phone quality versus the camera quality. Now, it's gonna take me a minute to learn how to work this thing, but I'm so excited. That was my unboxing. Ooh, so hope you guys enjoy these little clips. Okay, let's go to the clips. Go to the clips. All right, are we recording? Are we recording? I'm looking at the viewfinder. We good? We good? Ooh, look how chocolate I am. I'm so chocolatey. Okay, you guys, what do you think? Is the quality better? Thumbs up, yes. Thumbs up, no. Ooh. Okay, so I know I gotta like play around with the settings a little bit more, but what's up? What's good? Ooh. I'm so excited. I think I should be looking here. So I'm look here. Am I looking right at you? I think I'm looking right at you. So let's put a little side by side to see how me talking right now looks on the camera versus my phone. This is my phone, it's right here. And now let's like shiny glory. All the, yeah. Ooh. We can do the Q&As. You guys can ask me some questions. I can be on my phone like, yeah, so-and-so asked. I'm so geeked. So let me like show some things around the house side by side right now, okay? Okay. Alright, welcome back. So if everything went well, you guys saw the side by side of the iPhone versus the camera. Now, I still like my iPhone. I'm glad I got to film my iPhone. I'm blessed to have an iPhone. You don't need a camera, but that's such a, I'm just so happy and so grateful and so thankful. Thank you to Kayla. Please follow her channel. Ooh, you know, content about to be better. The quality just gonna get better. I'm gonna get a ring light. I'm gonna get a tripod, because if y'all don't know, I stack stuff to have my phone lean against it. Like I stack books, cereal boxes, animal crackers, just anything that's tall. I stack bins, boxes, anything to get my phone up there so you guys can see me. so you can see me. So anyway, you know, happy Christmas, happy holidays. It's almost 2020. It's almost my birthday. Thank you so much to Kayla. One more time, Kayla, thank you. I just feel so grateful. I'm kind of shaking a little bit because it's like, oh, should you be spending this much money? But it's just this YouTube thing. This is fun. This is so much fun. So until my next video. Bye.